Mewa Obiakwa Eba GCDs, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aramede Bremo. Aye Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah da so jina aye Captain Smart so ema wode nsema tuja sa so ena ye wode nsema tuja fa ye napo aye Wontumi ene aye MP a from Minister, Deputy Minister for Finance, and from the Kuma Hussein or the Nina Atuga. Now, Ansana Mede and Sammy na Bebano, Mr. Say, we now subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Or the Albea, Mr. Over click the subscribe button. Now, I barely a notification. We had a video who be about upload. Also, what's a back be. I feel we are now like video, my thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. Now, free or share. Shema ofofro so enyabi na wonhwe afi yenko eye ensemi eye Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah na Captain Smart so a wotutubi maro na wo chese eye Captain Smart ye station be bia wo no di nduma ye ONUA TV morning show host o chese eye management wan wo ho no wan free ho e ba ne ho be pa de job 2 times say wo mra wo me mo ho na say wo me Captain Smart in free ho no na re no Okatakyie se da bi Captain Smart ni bia etinya de a me pede so wo de nyina tuga I was in the captain, can find money and then money days has some ever 2 years. What I say, oh, money been 1% when you feel good. They tea and I wonder and I have before about no radio. One can watch the same house already. It's a saying, who would do when 20% when you feel now. Okatakyie at one is so and I watch her say, a year don't come out with free moon. A year at Joseph for a chin for 1 year, no one a peculiar, one person 1 year, a year don't come out a Bawumia vice. Yen is a poor education minister so a year be true. One in a person at the ground, but no achieve for no one share that 1% a year, Dokuma and a year, the vice of a year of Bawumia and Nona. Uncle year and send some women every more a year, Dokuma and free Nakoya, some degree and Okatakyie and some good now run out to that. Now, yes, some reno, the 10th Mara into a year Okatakyie needs some more 1 day at 2 into a year Okatakyie and some into.
And this person thinks that I am in a competition with him. You competing. Never. You see, and it's not about Captain Smart. He understands the psyche of the people and he's playing games with them.
More fire.
Yeah, police in Igbo in the tree. All of a sudden, Captain, na mini majua, and a majua no you walk and trust secondary. It turns out one and trust secondary. And still, people believe that Captain. What is wrong with the mind of the people? I sometimes want to understand. And you see. Because they understand that you like drama. You people, you like drama. Captain, you say you want to wage war. Maybe you did not even think of it.
Against who?
And you see, if I want to beat him in the media, I should SM a minute per 1,000 at the but go and ask your management. Efo Japasu. Waba had 2 times I patch on memra and me 2 through a conyaso. Men I'm seeing me an ultimate. With our management. Me, I want to be like you. No. Not my boy, somebody. Missing the management. Captains, now what ya dear, now what management himself, what ya dear. And can we radio need TV? And then I check with the radio Naman and I have freedom. Because we didn't question some management ya way. Wabu pobe tu no munyanya obi. Mesi management aba ha 2 times. Me na mesi mi muwa omo.
More fire.
Take it for me. Kobu se efo Jakwasu waba ha 2 times. Me na mesi mi muwa no. Jari ni me dance ni. Me na mesi mi muwa no. Me ma because you me I won't come there. And you say I want to be. Let me tell you this, Captain. At no point are you in purview of whatever me Kwame Afrifa Mensah I envisage to be in this world. The dream, the vision, whatever I foresee myself becoming. You are nowhere in purview of that. You don't even come anywhere close. And I get so pissed and peeved when people compare you and I in terms of substance. No substance, no education. You don't learn. You don't analyze issues, drama, concept. And now Koswa cement to a year. Adiachia was in one man bank Bible view. Adiachia waba a Bible no what better because there is no substance. It means you see 1 hour. No the preach Chirankrofano who are yet drama because he understands the psyche. And he said, me, I want to be like you, Captain Smart. Are you okay? John Kumano a cancer of the blood. You will say no cancer. These are questions. Because autopsy report shows that John Kuman will because of poison. Na mesi ninyina twako wiese na po per vice educhumo per vice ana John Kuma na ayi yanum fo ekofa ne baaye se kovi de wo mu ni se John Kuma no so ofiri dwoso ana akọ abakose mu a ye nuanom achimfo yi wo fa dwoso na afa eye offense a wo mu nuane wo mo se achimfo no wo ye ayi asonafo no wo mo ba no wo mu nuane dwoso ne fenso ana wo mu se tutu ba etu wo mu ye ni se aye ni se no wo mo adwane ana wo mu frɛ se tutu wo mo frɛ dwoso e frɛ offense sa mom yenko wo mo bua wo mo no wo mo duro no mo se da bi yenko ba bia ene so wo mo ka dwoso ne fenso so wo mo nko etu wo fa achimfo no wo mu nuane dwosofo wo fa achimfo na wo mu nuane offense fo sa na tie eti yanomfo ne hunu se ye behu akire ni ayesi no ana wo mo ye sa ne sa de ayempa Dwonkuma mfa nhyɛ Bawumia ko mom ye ka no kuro bi ne nyina ho to ye eti Dwonkuma no aya wo firijo so wo santema mu nanso literally ye ka se ye nua ya dia eti ye de ko hye yi finance minister me ne wo ka se asase ye fa ami ho ahwan ye oba betena hoi Ofori Atta se wotimi ni ami nya adwuma ami na wo no ye substantive minister ya appoint no ennioma kase nyina Ofori Atta clear ni nyina begu Dwonkuma table so as deputy ye pedi Dwonkuma hye ye Bawumia minister wo ne mra partner eti no kure wo mudi nkomo se Dwonkuma ne ye penas vice na achemfo na na epe kwan bi so de Dwonkuma awura Bawumia mene take it from me ana Dwonkuma yare ye nua ne yare na ye nua ne yare a se be ye ne ehunu so yare nti ene o mo bo na ba and I say Professor Mills die bi so wo yare cancer eku no enso ye se Professor Mills betu mirika ewai ne ho ode nipa bonefo petumi ade o mpeso obode oye eti Dwonkuma wo na wawu no me no me ya se ye nua na wu but ono ana eku ne ho ana ye tewa na baisi o se che Mensah captain ya poison no o se che ya poison hwan ya poison hwan
away
mom ye ndi no kura bi ne nyina ya ho nya free what's this kuro no say politics into obi adwene nya adwuma bi obi adwene anya adwuma bi Dwonkuma tama wonya eye yi a womode ne ba no yemu sase nipa na no ka no kura no ye doctor ni ana ni edi ni betwa ntre se ana Dwonkuma na ni doctor ni de enipa na wo frɛ na no na di ambulance no nye doctor omra me kire so a doctor won fa ne medical certificate mra mo an makum nua no mo an makum ye kura ye se ye de ne kokkomfa no che se won kokkomfa no che na ko mo susu ni mu kakra emien fa flight me wo so on peso bia be hunu so yare so won na eku ne ho emu ya de wo buy sit match no wantimi anko emu ya de a wo yes wo yesi wo se da bi komfa no che do won ko nipa be hunu so yare ana omo de ne sha ambulance mo bobɔ no ayi impane ayi ye ni se ya se ya de ne bedu akra na nka ye ni tupa ane ye ne wo na politics no aye ne politics tantan bi aye masa kan wontumi na sha kire o mum yensam napo yensam no ye se Matthew Bogu prempe say ye mese wodi Bawumia no wonim pa wo mo MPP ni nyina wo munim se enipa se wo kra the grassroots of the MPP napo Bawumia na mu kwa ye ka che party no nka ho beboa wo mo ka kire no eje ne ye nsoma ne enko se napo na eye na running mate ni ebusa se 22nd October na running mate no ni ye yi Bawumia
dabi
eti no per running mate dia kwa he mo adwene ne nya adwuma ana mo soma die di se yetumi poison will be 22nd October ana nipa ne be wu sit match o se 7th match eti adwene ye da etimi nyusu no kakra na afi nkrofo se ye wo slow poison obi a wodi slow poison begu aduan no onye serious wa brabom onye na adwe so peso oku onye serious o mind mu kakra and you see the danger in it is that the people in the society o mo adwene ye adwuma pa no ana o mo je nkwasase mo edi o
sa wa here
womu a wose omu ye higher in thinking womu a wose womu ko school ye logical reasoning. These are the people that believes this nonsense in the society. And you see why Kwame Nkrumah dey by criminal libel law, JJ Rawlings dey criminal libel law. And you wuni panasam na wokan say ne do ma bechi wakutwaba. But they care about what you feed the people, the mind of the people with. Every morning you come here and then go for poison and then no hineba guy must have hineba right? Or hineba siedu. Wontumi guy no. But the MPP for ye fanya mo. Wontumi na mo hwe na santema medical catcher mo se mo na o hwe atitire ne animpon pa efira santema mu a wo mo chairman ni wontumi. Then it goes ahead to tell you how o mabodam. Well, Dr. Richard so kon yan kumia kan ko bi ne ho nto Mo fan so ne anwen ko edi asem. Dr. Richard Annan ni tiwe ni chairman ni chama Wontumi on. Adam kan kuro ma. Ah? Na ene me pa ma aduchum. Na ise enye aduchum dia ma mempe eye jonkuma emfansi nchen. Eti aya na aduchum ne na polisi ani na wo mo ko a. Na ene yakase yenyi wo mmie nyina nsi nchen ne enkofa jonkuma. De no mo ye ni. Ko de omo ye ni. Eti Wontumi kura master game 2. Okura jonkuma. Ana okura aduchum. Ana wo pa ma aduchum wo. Nemo abeye head to head with eye napo duchum it said Akufo-Addo suave eye hwan ba wane na se na ye ni nyina ekofa ono Bawumia no na nka ni achemfo ya kase o duchum ne ayi napo kontokwa enti ama tension abam ene saade amomye ngofa na nka Wontumi agya ni two candidate ni nyina afa ana ayi asofo na wo moye se ayi wo moye se wo ma ahyenkom 31st na wo mo bua wo mo nya information se jonkuma yare wo mo bua wo mo nyae jonkuma yare wo yare kimo no akwa Germany ni autopsy report yi ene ye ne doctor de bekasa ma me some few minutes doctor he will say ye man break to abi doctor wo ye no autopsy ye ne bekasa wa ha mo ya so go didi o watu futuro gumanfo na ni atu na me gina hot 3 times Kojo makachero enura makachero say giant you owe the people a duty, don't do these things captain so uneasy enura de me conscience here clear because me kachero say me blast oso onkum dwafo ni dwa me amenu no but anyoma na we to de bu abi ensem hunu you have to stop it o person MPP ko opposition ye nyina person MPP ko opposition kwasi asem o mu did but Sabi wo okay was me fa sabi ncho sabi Kojo na de na je mosre ada na wosre ada mumbian kanokure ne ho nto ye mumbian kanokure mumbian kanokure ade na captain beg ka anya nokure emfa so bi ani so food oze nokure ba ko pe ye menu captain de kan yo hwan na kan yo nokure ne food poison nche say poison
Yo for winning and somewhere yeah Okatakyie FIFA Mensah adituga fa captain smart on any jonkuma Wontumi any napo any aduchum sembebri ka say also betimi atre wadwen Afriyie and somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box ni na say we now subscribe to the channel so Mensah say over subscribe no like na wa share video no ma ofufro so eya bi na wa hwe obete ninka bio in my next video.
Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.